Hello future leaders, innovators, and cosmic explorers. Right now you sit in lecture halls. Imagine a world where our food supply is threatened not by blight or drought but by silence. The gentle buzz of bees, the planet's master pollinators, is growing fainter. Colony collapse disorder habitat loss are creating a crisis in our fields. But what if we could supplement nature's work with our own ingenuity? Enter the pollen drone, a miniature autonomous aerial vehicle designed for one crucial purpose: pollination. This isn't just a drone with a fancy attachment, it's a sophisticated machine inspired by insects. How would it work? No larger than a bumblebee ultralight sensors GPS for precise navigation. Its legs would be coated with a soft, electrostatically charged filament mimicking the fuzzy hairs on a bee that trap pollen. Flying in coordinated swarms guided by advanced algorithms moving from flower to flower. We live in an age of miracles. We can transplant organs, we can fight diseases with targeted therapies, we can peer into the very code of life, yet we still face a chronic shortage of organ donors, and many injuries are considered permanent. What if we could move beyond transplantation and begin to generate biological material on demand? I present to you the 3D bioprinter, a machine that doesn't use plastic or metal as its ink, but living cells. It could print everything from a patch of skin to a fully functioning human heart. Custom-made for the patient who needs it. This is the future of regenerative medicine. The core technology builds upon existing 3D printing, but with far more delicate and complex materials. The bioink would be a hydrogel infused with a patient's own stem cells, ensuring no risk of immune system rejection. The printer would meticulously deposit this mixture layer by layer, following a precise digital blueprint derived from an MRI or CT scan. Over time, the scaffold would harmlessly dissolve, leaving behind a living, functional tissue or organ. Our planet is a water world, oceans covering over 70% of its surface. Within this vast aquatic realm lies a hidden treasure, a microscopic organism. Fuel our cars, feed our people, clean our atmosphere. I'm talking about algae. This humble, single-celled plant is a biological powerhouse. It produces lipids that can be converted into biofuel. It produces proteins that can be used for food. The challenge has always been harvesting it efficiently on a massive scale. The solution could be the algae harvester, an autonomous solar-powered marine vessel, designed to cultivate and process this green gold. Imagine a fleet of sleek, semi-submersible platforms gliding through coastal waters. The machine would release nutrients into a contained area, stimulating explosive algal blooms. The harvester would use a sophisticated filtration system, concentrating them into a dense biomass. The filtered water, now cleaner, would be returned to the ocean. Water is the stuff of life, yet billions live in regions with water scarcity. We see vast oceans of it. Desalination is energy-intensive. We see it locked in polar ice. Accessing it is impractical. There is another massive, untapped reservoir all around us, the Earth's atmosphere. The air holds an astonishing amount of water vapor. The challenge is getting it out. This is where the large-scale atmospheric water condenser comes in, a machine that acts like a planetary dehumidifier. We are a species that produces trash, a lot of it. Our throwaway culture has created mountains of waste in landfills polluting our soil and water islands of plastic choking our oceans. Recycling helps, but it's often inefficient and relies on human sorting, which is prone to error and contamination. Introducing the Smart Sort Recycler. It uses a battery of advanced sensors and AI to perfectly and autonomously sort mixed waste at speed and accuracy far beyond humans. Imagine a single unified waste stream. A hyperspectral camera identifies different types of plastics based on their unique chemical signatures. The AI then directs a series of high-speed robotic arms. The result is near-perfectly sorted streams of materials, free from contamination and ready to be recycled into new products. We've journeyed through a landscape of future possibilities. We've seen machines that can pollinate our crops, print our organs, and pull water from the sky. These ideas, the pollen drone, the bioprinter, the algae harvester, and the others, are not mere flights of fancy. They are echoes of a future that is calling to us, asking to be built. They represent the kind of thinking that moves humanity forward. They are born from the collision of profound challenges and boundless imagination. And the crucible where they can be forged is the one you are in right now. The world of academia, research labs, the senior thesis. Your education is not just about absorbing the knowledge of the past. It is about learning the tools you will need to create the future. A thesis can be a dry academic exercise, a final hurdle to clear before graduation. Or, It can be the first chapter of your life's greatest work. It can be your declaration to the universe that you are not just a passive observer, but an active participant in the cosmic drama. Choosing a topic that is bold, that is forward-looking, that aims to solve a real-world problem, is an act of profound optimism. Don't be afraid to take risks. The future is unwritten. Pick up your pen, your calculator, your keyboard, and start writing your chapter.